Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Omii. In the previous lecture, we learned how to add elements in the list by using append, extend and insert. But today we are going to learn some very important and we are going to learn about how to delete elements from a list using pop, remove and clear. So we are going to learn about this method that is pop, remove and clear. Okay, so we are going to learn about these three methods. So basically the meaning of pop is that remove we are going to remove index means we are going to take out one of the elements from the list. So the pop means we are going to pull out that element from the list. So pop is going to be happen with two types that we should look here. I will show you one of the example. If here we have taken the list 10, 20, 30, 40, then we are performing the pop operation, then we are going to get by default remove the last element of the pop. So pop will remove the last element of the list. So in this way, look here, 50 element is get removed from this list. So by default, it is going to remove the last element if we didn't provide index. But what in case if we provided the index, then in this way, if we provide index particularly, then it is going to remove the position which is having second index 0, 1, 2. So 30 element is going to be deleted and we got answer that is 20, 20, 40 and 50. So in this way, without index and with index, with these two methods, with these two, we are going to using pop. But what if in case we are having the empty list and we are going to pop operation? Then in that case, we are going to get the error that is pop pop from empty list index error. We are going to get that index error as an pop from empty list. So now moving to the next method that is an remove method. So if I take a list as 10, 20, 30, 40 and I perform the remove operation here, remove method operation, L dot remove 30, then I am going to get the output that I am going to remove this 30 element and at final we are going to get the output 10, 20 and 40. But when we are having multiple amount of elements, similar amount of element at multiple times, means look here, 20 is here at the position index of 1 and at the position index of 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, we are having 20. So these 20 is going to be delete first. Means what the removes do, only the first matching value is removed. So look here, we are getting output 10, 30, 20 and 40. So the position index which is having 1 that 20 value has got removed properly. Now L is equal to 10, 20, 30 taking new list and if I am going to remove the element which is not present in the list then it is going to give as an error message. Okay. Now looking to the method of clear. So what clear methods do? It only removes all elements. It not going to delete particularly from the list, but it just removes all the element. Now, if I'm going to run, look here, if we are, firstly, we were having L list is equal to 10, 20, 30, and 40. But when I perform the L dot list, L dot clear, then it is going to remove all the elements from the list. Now, coming to the next part, if I am having the list, then if I want to reverse this list, then I need to use this method L dot reverse. Then we're going to get 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 as a reverse index. And if I am going to use L dot sort method, then this is going to be sort automatically in increasing order 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. This is also one of the list is going to print. But now if we need list and we need to print this 30, 40, and 50 only. Okay, we need to print this 30, 40, 50, and A element in the list. So how we can print this? Take L is equal to, now what is the index of 30? 0, 1, 2. So I need 2 and if I need this A, then I need to go from I plus 1. Means if A is at index position, what is it is? Let's check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to put here 6. If I put here 5, then I am going to get here. if I am going to get 30, 40 and 50. But if I need A, then I need to put here L of 2, sorry, 6 means I plus 1. It is going to count 30, 40, 50 and 8. Now if I need just C and B, so I should put from negative, means index is count from the -1, -2, -3 in this similar way.